Actually, I wish I had acquired fluency in other languages earlier in life. Because, well, for obvious reasons. And I regret that. I did speak German well enough to give about 2 minutes in German on the eastern side of the Berlin Wall when I was the first president to speak there after the Cold War. And I got a decent grade from the then Chancellor of Germany on my German. But I wish I had acquired that. And I think it would be a good thing if almost every person who gets out of what in America we call high school was at least fluent in one other language.